Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Really stoked for this one, not gonna lie. So as you guys know from watching this channel for a while, we focus a lot on jewelry on this channel. One, because it's been really popping in the rapper industry since all these SoundCloud rappers started coming out and really started spending ridiculous amounts of money on bling to bang chicks. Generally, I'd say about 95% of the jewelry we talk about on this channel is fake. The reason for that is because I can go to Plato's Closet and try to sell it for more, and I think it's funny. And also, the majority of people out there that are watching these videos probably aren't going to go out and buy the real stuff, so I talk about the fake stuff where people can kind of relate and maybe want to purchase that stuff. But you guys know me, I only like my real jewelry. Anything that I get that is fake, for the most part, I give away to you guys. But I told you guys the last video when I showed you guys this off, and this was the very first real piece in my collection that I'm starting, that I wanted to do more of that, and once again, I'm going to start a new collection, which is real jewelry. Actually, to be honest, this is fake, but this is my merch, and I feel like if I can't wear my merch, I shouldn't be selling it. So I get a little pass on that. But anyway, long story short, we have a real jewelry unboxing again today, and I'm really stoked because last week I spent a buttload of money on a bunch of jewelry to add to my collection. This is only one piece here that's come in so far. Next week is gonna be insane, but I guess money's been pretty good since I kind of cleaned up my act on YouTube and stopped swearing as much. People are now like, hey, we want to sponsor you. So I'm actually in like a pretty good situation to actually be able to show you guys some real jewelry more often. And speaking about sponsorships, going along with this video, I thought this would be a good one because we're only unboxing one real piece of jewelry in this. We got a company called KRKC & Co. hit us up with a little bit of fake jewelry and wanted me to show it off to you guys, and I said yeah. Anyway, sent by them. Not gonna lie, I already opened this up. They really talked us up a lot. Like, they were talking up how this is pretty much the best in the game for the fake stuff and the price, which is dope. You guys know I've ordered a lot of stuff by now, so I feel like I've got a pretty good say with it. So what they sent here, the one thing I didn't open, we'll get into the pendant, but the first thing they sent is obviously one of these Cuban chains that everybody loves, the white gold. Now this actually, and I hit them up because I wanted information on it to make sure I'm actually telling you guys what's up with it. This obviously isn't real gold because that would cost a lot of money. Generally that's going to cost you like $20,000 for a thick piece of gold like this. However, this is actually layered with white gold. Now a lot of people, I guess, would layer it with like one layer. This one has 5 layers, which I guess one means it's more durable, another means it's not going to fade, and the best thing is it's not going to turn your skin green, which I'm sure like a lot of chains are going to do. As y'all can see with the diamonds, which I'm really actually impressed with, is like they're in prongs or whatever, and that's what holds them in. You guys, actually look at my real ring. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got prongs that hold them in a little bit tighter. I actually haven't seen that a lot on fake pieces, so I'm definitely satisfied with that. And lastly, which I'm kind of stoked about, they sent this right here, which is the jigsaw chain that like 6ix9ine wears. So we've actually had one of these in the past. Definitely better quality than the last one, that's for sure. Super dope though. Not too much more to say. Honestly, I'm not just saying this because I'm being sponsored for it, but yeah, this is some pretty good stuff. Also, they got a warranty card, so you got 1-year warranty and 30-day free return. Now, there will be a link down below if you guys want any of these pieces. Their website is right there. Go check it out. These guys are cool, man. They got some cool pieces. Anyway, shout out to KRC & Co. What I'm actually going to do is give this away to you guys, so if you guys want to win this, leave a thumbs up, comment down below. My Instagram's right here. Tell me you did all of that, and I will pick one of you guys in my DMs on Instagram. Alright, I had to get through that fast because now I really want to get into my package. I'm so stoked. I ordered this like 2 days ago, and my boys really hooked me up because I'll talk about it in a second. Anyway, it's a ring. It's a big ass package for whatever reason, but I just gotta get into it though. Oh boy, okay. Alright, so first off, we got like a little cleaning cloth, which is awesome. And next up, this is what I've been waiting for. This is one of those removable tattoos. What do I want that for? Anyway, now this is kind of a spur of the moment purchase. This thing actually, and they have like a little appraisal thing that they gave me. It's actually a $5,000 ring. They hooked me up for a lot cheaper, so it was kind of spur of the moment where I was like, yo, I gotta pull the trigger on this. I actually have a ring like this already, but once again with the price, I couldn't say no. Oh my god, as y'all can see, oh my god. As y'all can see, man, sorry about the shakes today, it's gonna get wild, but it's 100% like 14 karat gold or something with the diamonds all around there. Now I really like this one because it's got kind of a 2-tier feature that this one does, but the second tier on this one is white gold, the rest is yellow gold, and then we have this really cool looking diamond. It's like rectangular diamonds right there. I thought it was sick. I couldn't say no for the price. Damn, dude. So it's kind of weird that I have 2 diamond rings, maybe. At the same time, like I said, the price, I couldn't say no, and I have 1 pinky ring coming in that's a different shape than everything to kind of maybe offset it so it doesn't look like everything matches. But just real quick, guys, I had to show you the, damn, look at the sparkle on that. I look like a disco ball in the 80s when everyone used to bang on the dance floor because it was illegal. Also, another thing I like about this ring, now this one is worth more than this one, but I got this one for cheaper, which is sick. The other part, we have diamonds on this side of it as well, like when you look at it head on. This one I don't, man. Super dope. This is my second piece to my jewelry collection. Like I say, next week, guys, it's gonna get a little crazy because honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I got a little stoned one night and I was like, yeah, man, I just got a check in the mail. So then I just spent it all on jewelry. Anyway, you guys let me know what you think about this ring, and was it done to by like 2 stars? I don't know. I think 3 might be a little bit too much, but I think once I have a pinky ring here, it'll like kind of offset it. Also, you guys let me know if I spent my good, oh, I think this is a V1 diamond. I don't think it's V2, but it's like good. This one wasn't the best of jewelry, but this one's definitely a little bit better. Try to step up the game. You guys let me know what you think. Also, if you guys want real reviews more often, because I'm super down, man, whenever the money kind of comes into play. And once again, these aren't bragging videos at all. It's just like, I'm not gonna knock out this and show this off to you guys when this is what we talk about on the channel. You know what I mean? Anyway, boys, thank you so much for watching this quick video. Had to show this off. Now this video is brought to you by rosegoldandblack.com, and what they do is they sell you jewelry. It's only gonna be rose gold and black, so if you guys want pink, f off. Now, obviously, it's 4th of July, or it was yesterday. Happy 4th, by the way, for you guys. But anyway, they got cool packaging, and this is also what they have on the website. Just cool bracelets like this, necklaces, and whatever. Now, forgive me as I read off the phone, because literally as we speak, they sent me a new discount that you guys should probably act on fast. You guys get 35% off your landing page, which is down below. When you click the link, you get 35% off already, because it's through me. Plus an extra 25% off when you use 4th of July at checkout. So I will put all the info down below, and that ends on the 14th. Yeah, you gotta act quick. So anyway, Rose Gold and Black for hooking you up. There's a link for them. That's it. Appreciate y'all for watching. rosegoldandblack.com. Also, KRCK or something like that. Y'all the goats. Blah.